This topic is called factoring a quadratic with leading coefficient greater than 1. Problem type 2. I think this is problem type 2. Anyway, so here's the deal. So first you look to see, so our leading coefficient is 3. Does 3 go into 23 and 30? It does not go into 23. So this is how I like to do it. I like to start copying the problem down, but only do the first term without the coefficient. So you do y squared plus 23y, and then multiply 3 times 30. Now, I'm going to circle that 3 so I don't forget. That's something I would tend to do. Then you factor this particular quadratic. So we have our y. We're looking for two numbers that multiply to get 90, but add to get 23. So 9 times 10 is going to add to get 19. So we need two numbers that are going to add to 23. Oh, what's 15 times 8? Is that too high? 8. Yeah, that's 120. That's not going to work. Okay, so let me think about this. Oh, I have an idea. What if I did 90 is 9 times 10, 3 and 3, 2 and 5. So what if I did 15 and 2 times 5 is 10. I mean 10 and 9. Okay, that doesn't work. How about 6 and 15? 15 plus 6 is going to be 21. That's not going to work. How about 5 times 9 is going to be too high. Oh, how about 2 times 9? How about 18 plus 5? Oh, that'll work. So we have plus 18 plus 5. Then what you do is you take your 3 and you divide both of these by 3. Okay, so this is going to be 18 divided by 3 is 6. So you're left with y plus 6. And this one, okay, let me see if they'll let me type it in like that. If they don't, we can move the 3 in front of the y, make it 3y plus 5. So let's just see if they let me type in y plus 6. I'll show you another way to write this out too. When you're solving it, can I do 5? Nope, they won't let me do 5/3. So let's do 3. You put that denominator in front of the y. 3y plus 5. Boom. Okay. I've seen this done before where you do like a little X on the board. P.S. Please subscribe to my channel, and please like any videos that are helpful to you. So I don't see a common factor, so I'm going to do the same thing where I do y squared plus 9y minus, and then do 14 times 5. I feel like we just did that. 14 times 5 is 70. I did that in a different video recently. Circle that 14 so I don't forget. Now I've seen this done like this. Boom. And you put the 14 right here. Okay, so we're going to write our negative 70. We're looking for two numbers. Multiply to get negative 70, but add to get positive 9. We're going to put those two numbers in these spaces right here. Okay, so let's see. Negative 70. Oh, does 14 and 5 work? What's 14 minus 5? It's 9. So if we did positive 14 minus 5, that adds to positive 9 and multiplies the negative 70. Sweet. So we'll put a 14 here. We'll put a negative 5 there. Then we simplify these as if they were fractions. So this equals 1. So right now we have y plus 1. And then we have this fraction does not reduce. So always reduce if you can. This one doesn't. So we're going to put the 14 in front of the y, and then we have our minus 5. And then that will actually be our answer. So we have y plus 1 and 14y minus 5. And we're going to do another one because this sometimes is hard to kind of wrap your head around. Plus, I didn't do that x on the very first one. Okay, so I don't see anything that has a common factor. So I'm going to put my 2 here. I'm going to write out the problem with doing 2 times 18 at the end. So x squared minus 9x minus 36. I want to multiply to get negative 36, add to get negative 9, and I put the two numbers here. So 12 and 2, no, 12 times 3. Oh, 12 and 3. So it's a negative 9. So I have a negative 12 and a positive 3. That will add to negative 9, and it will multiply negative 36. Now we just focus on these two. This one will actually reduce to -6. This one will not reduce. So we're going to put x minus 6 and 2x plus 3. That will give us that 3/2 there. Okay, so this is the last problem I'm going to go over. Hopefully, this is helpful to you. Please let me know. If it's not, I could do another one. Okay, there you go. That's the end of the lesson.